The history of UFO sightings dates back to ancient times. In many cultures, there have been reports of unexplained celestial phenomena that could be interpreted as UFOs. A well-known example is the incident of 1561 in Nuremberg, where numerous objects were sighted in the sky. On the morning of April 14, 1561, an unusual event was observed over Nuremberg. Witnesses reported various objects hovering in the sky and attacking each other. Explosions were heard, and there were reports of red and black balls flying through the air. The balls and discs appeared to be flying in formation and eventually exploding. This incident is documented in many historical records and shows that UFO sightings are a phenomenon that is not limited to a specific time or culture. In the 20th century, there were many famous sightings of UFOs that contributed to the increasing popularity of the topic. One of the most famous sightings occurred in 1947 when pilot Kenneth Arnold saw 9 unidentified flying objects that he described as flying saucers. However, the most famous incident occurred later that year in Roswell, New Mexico, where an alleged extraterrestrial spacecraft is said to have crashed. This incident is still controversial today, and there are many conspiracy theories about what actually happened. Some believe that the US government has covered up evidence of extraterrestrial life and secret technologies. In fact, there are many cultures that have dealt with UFOs. For example, the ancient Egyptians and Maya believed that extraterrestrial beings helped humans improve their technological abilities. In Chinese culture, flying ships were mentioned in ancient texts, while in Indian mythology, flying vehicles were referred to as vimanas. Even in the Bible, there are descriptions of flying chariots and gods descending from the heavens. Theories and concepts of UFOs. There are many different theories and concepts of UFOs. One of the most well-known theories is that UFOs are controlled by extraterrestrials. Some people believe that these extraterrestrials visit us to study us or to make contact with us. Another theory is that UFOs are secret military technologies. Some believe that the governments of the world have developed UFOs to carry out secret missions. Another theory is that UFOs come from other dimensions or parallel universes and are known as interdimensional travelers. There is also a theory that suggests that UFOs could be a sign of time travelers coming from the future to visit us. This theory is based on the assumption that there will be technologies in the future that allow time travel, and that some people or beings already possess this technology. Another theory is the so-called sky phenomenon theory, which suggests that many UFO sightings are based on natural phenomena such as meteorites or atmospheric disturbances. Some believe that some UFO sightings are also due to mass hysteria, misinterpretations, or deceptions. There are also many different concepts of UFOs, including the idea of flying saucers or flying objects in the form of triangles or spheres. Some also believe that UFOs are capable of becoming invisible or achieving extremely high speeds beyond human capabilities. It is important to emphasize that despite all these theories and concepts, there is no final explanation for the phenomenon of UFOs, and the subject remains highly controversial. UFO sightings have impacts on society and science. Some people believe in the existence of extraterrestrial life and are concerned about the possibility of an invasion. Others believe that UFOs could play an important role in the evolution of humanity. In science, speculation surrounds the possibility of alien life and the technological capabilities of UFOs. Some researchers also investigate the possibility that UFOs are secret military technologies. UFO sightings also have impacts on popular culture, such as movies, TV shows, and books that deal with the topic. UFO sightings also have impacts on people's psychology. Many people who claim to have seen UFOs are often labeled as crazy or paranoid, which can lead to psychological problems and stigmatization. On the other hand, UFO sightings can also have positive impacts on consciousness by expanding horizons and leading to new insights. Moreover, UFO sightings also have impacts on governments and authorities. In some cases, governments have been accused of suppressing or even destroying evidence of UFO existence. On the other hand, some governments have released official investigations and reports on UFO sightings, such as the famous Condon report by the US Air Force in the 1960s. Overall, the topic of UFOs remains controversial and polarizing. While some people believe in the existence of extraterrestrial life, others view the topic as scientifically unfounded or purely imaginary. There are many facts and fictions surrounding UFOs. Some facts include that there have been actual UFO sightings and that there are many unexplained phenomena. Fictions include ideas such as an alien invasion or that governments around the world have developed secret UFO technologies. It is important to note that there are many false reports and hoaxes that have emerged over the years related to UFOs. Despite the facts and fictions surrounding UFOs, the topic continues to remain a mystery. It is difficult to give a clear answer to the question of whether or not there is actually extraterrestrial life and if UFOs are actually controlled by aliens. However, it is important to emphasize that the possibility of the existence of extraterrestrial life cannot be ruled out. The discovery of exoplanets and the search for life in space have gained importance in recent years. Scientists are searching for evidence of extraterrestrial life and hope that they will eventually find proof in the future. In recent years, the topic of UFOs has regained importance. In 2017, the New York Times published an article about a secret UFO program of the U.S. Department of Defense. It was also revealed that the U.S. Navy had released videos of UFO sightings. In 2020, the Pentagon released a report on UFO sightings by military pilots. Although the report did not provide concrete evidence of extraterrestrial life or secret technologies, it acknowledged that there are many unexplained phenomena that need further investigation. Even in 2023, UFO sightings remain a current topic. There have been several reports of alleged sightings of UFOs in various parts of the world, including in Germany. The media has extensively reported on this, and there have been many discussions about the possible causes and effects of these sightings. Some scientists and experts believe that these sightings are natural phenomena, such as meteorites or atmospheric disturbances. However, others believe that they could be extraterrestrial spacecraft visiting Earth. Regardless of the causes and effects of these sightings, the topic of UFOs remains a fascinating and controversial topic that has been occupying humanity for centuries. It is important to continue conducting scientific investigations and focusing on facts to gain more clarity about these unexplained phenomena. In summary, the topic of UFOs is a fascinating and controversial one that has been captivating people for centuries. Despite the many theories and speculations, the question of the existence of extraterrestrial life and secret technologies remains unanswered. We will continue to keep an eye out for new developments and insights in this exciting field. Thank you for watching, and if you want to stay up to date and find out what's next in the world of UFOs, please subscribe to our channel. Maybe we'll have exclusive information about what's to come before the aliens really arrive.